Alright, what's up, gang? Like I said, I am recording 3 videos in one day. So, can you tell what it is? Side skirts, y'all. We got the side skirts today, man. Like I said, I did just install the lip kit on it. And now I'm gonna install the side skirts on it. Guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel before we start this video. This car is coming along, man. It's coming along pretty good. See, kit on it, wide body, no, not wide body kit, but kit coming along. And it looks very dope. Can't wait to finish it out today so I can go wash it and ride it out, man. Ride it out today. Like I said, guys, bear with me because my jaw do hurt a little bit, but that's because I got my teeth taken out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this stuff up and prepare it for the installation. Alright, guys, so this side skirt is a 3-piece side skirt. Comes with the hardware and with the tools. So I think this one's a 79 inch because I bought a 79 because of the mud flaps I got. So that it will fit right on the money. It'll stop right there with the mud flaps at, and it'll stop right here at the end of this this right here. So it should fit right in the money. That's the way I bought it. I think it's a 79 point something. So it should fit right there. Alright, guys, don't worry about the mess. I got a mess in here, but I had to lift the car up a little bit from the back because it's too low, but I do still got the ramps on it. So I lifted it, and now I'm able to fit my drill so that I can screw the side skirt. And I got my help coming over here, my biggest supporter in the cut. So like I said, I'm about to fit it and then drilled it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after it's installed. Alright, guys, look, the pointed shit looks super crazy, man. It looks so crazy. It looks like a different car, don't it, Jay?
Yep.
Like I said, guys, we put in the lip kit. In the first video, we put the lip kit on, and now look at the side skirts. Get out the way. Get out the way, boy. You're not the side skirts. But yeah, look at the side skirts. Oh, it looks so dope. Thank you for.
And I'm the one who was driving.
Yeah, Jeremiah pulled it out the garage. Guys, the Punisher is complete. Now we just have one more video today to do, and that is, you'll see when we do it. But yes, y'all. Oh my gosh, it looks so dope. It's finally out of the garage, y'all. It's been in the garage for a couple weeks because I've been working on it.
Are we gonna paint the car?
No, we're not gonna paint the car.
Then why would you?
Why would I what? Look at Papa, y'all. Our fourth helper. Thank you, Wee. Yeah, y'all. It looks so dope. Look at it. From the side. I was gonna leave it out more, but I wasn't. I don't want it to stick out too much. And then the brakes look super crazy still. Oh man, this car looks so dope. It's coming along together so well. The only thing that was the minus sign was that, but comment down below and see what you guys think about it. But just look at it. It looks sick. I guarantee you guys, I'm the only one with this lip kit, like I was with the other one before. And then I started telling everybody about it. And then I'm the first one with this lip kit with a 2-tone color, the carbon fiber and the red. And it looks super crazy. Look how dirty it is, y'all. Oh, I'm taking it straight to the car wash. Look at it. Oh god. It's been sitting there. But I got one more modification I gotta do before I do it to the car wash. So you wanna go ahead and start it?
Yep.
Go ahead and start it. Look at him, y'all. He's into cars already like me. Gosh, this looks so beautiful. Body kit complete. Yep, I'm done with the outside for now. I still gotta install the back brakes on it. But I kind of like the way it looked with those like this in the back and then those in the front. set up like that. To be honest with you, what you think? Yeah, right? How to look from the side skirts. Heck yeah, I like it. Alright, yeah, so matter of fact, I think I'm gonna have to go because I gotta take care of some things first. So I think I'm gonna take care of I might go wash the car first and then come back and install what I gotta install. Cause
But first we have to go home.
yeah, first we gotta go home. So yeah, let's go. Let's go.